and through the internet we are going to have all the features of computing. Okay, mainly this cloud computing is nothing but the definition says that it is a paradigm that allow on-demand network access to shared computing resources. Okay, and this cloud computing have different characteristics. One is on-demand service, second one is network access, third one is shared resources, and fourth one is scalable. Okay, first cloud computing are having four type of clouds. Okay, first one is public cloud, second one is private cloud, third one is hybrid cloud, fourth one is community cloud. First we are going to understand what is public cloud. Public cloud is nothing but, see, if there are different service providers, or assume today we will discuss about cloud computing types. Okay, see, there are four types, four mainly types are, first one is public cloud, second one is private cloud, third one is hybrid cloud, fourth one is community cloud. First come to the public cloud, nothing but, say, publicly everyone can use. Okay, and there will be enterprise cloud, there will be different enterprises clouds are being connected to the cloud service provider, and from the cloud service provider the users can access. Okay, this is private cloud. Okay, for these an example is renting a vehicle or else anything. Okay, see, when you are going to an organization or else a provider, there you can take rent and use it and back it. Okay, nothing but pay as you want. Okay, this is public cloud. Next coming to the private cloud, nothing but in private cloud there will be only for that particular user. Okay, only for that particular user, nothing but, see, there will be a single enterpriser and cloud service provider, and see, this diagram shows that only the main private cloud, and these are extremely hosted private cloud, nothing but there will be in a cloud there will be different provider. Okay, and dedicated, we call it as dedicated enterprise. Okay, dedicated enterprise cloud, and with a combination of cloud service provider. See, for this an example is, you are having a own device or else own vehicle. Okay, example, we have discussed about public cloud that we are taking a rent vehicle. Okay, here we are having an own vehicle, we can use as we need, but in this there is a smaller difference, that is, here vehicle is ours only, but we need to have a driver. That means the driver is going to take care about that vehicle. So whatever the private clouds providing, that will be provided by the some service provider, and we need to access and we need to take as we need. Okay, and next coming to the hybrid cloud. Hybrid cloud is nothing but combination of public and private. Clouds. Okay, nothing but, here an example, if you are taking a vehicle, okay, you are using a rented vehicle as well as you are using own vehicle. See, nothing but this hybrid cloud is having two things, but whenever you need this one, you will access. Whenever you need this one, you will access. Okay, two type of internet providers. Okay, nothing but when coming to the public cloud, we are using different enterprises and service providers to users. Okay, that means here and this private cloud. Private is nothing but, if in simple way, a folder in a system, if whoever accessing that folder, he can open, or else it will be locked, means private cloud. Okay, if it is locked, so that person has to open, and when it is open, okay, every person has to use. Okay, that is the main thing of this public cloud, private cloud and hybrid cloud. Next is last one, community cloud. In this community cloud, there will be all different organizations, example, different organizations providing different services. That means pool of services. Okay, that means, say, assume it is like a travel bus. Okay, and in travel bus, everyone can access. Okay, and everyone can use. Nothing but for that specific usage. Okay, now see, these, with respect to the types of clouds are providing main services that are called as first one is software as a service, second one is platform as a service, third one is infrastructure as a service. Okay, first software as a service, second one is platform as a service, third one is infrastructure as a service. Here, these are the three main services, three main cloud services. Okay, first one, when coming to the SaaS, we call it as software as a service. Here, the whatever an end user want, okay, end user or else customer requirements, okay, all will be considered in software as a service. That means all virtual softwares will be provided to the respective. Okay, next when coming to the platform, we call it as PaaS. Okay, platform as a service is nothing but, here in platform mainly applications or else developing. Okay, nothing but, see, this is an end user side, this is his developer side. And here the developer can use that respective application, as well as the developer can debug, compile, write the program, etc. Okay, and next last one is infrastructure as a service. Okay, in this infrastructure as a service, here it is going to provide storage, accessibility, processing, everything. Okay, nothing but, when coming to the cloud services, see, these services are being provided with the help of the internet to the users, so that the users not require a a physical computer so that he can use, or else the organizations who are accessing the cloud services, they can use different types of services, and these services are mainly software and platform and infrastructure. See, infrastructure, when coming to the infrastructure, how much storage is needed, what processor is needed, and how much RAM is needed, like that. And platform, which type of applications is needed, which type of development for the which purpose, okay, purpose of its need, and the software, which type of operating system is needed, which type of application, or else which type of drivers, okay, these all comes under the cloud service. Thank you.